All right, let's take a look at this example here where we're going to try to graph out a line which is given in graphic form. We're going to use an equation that's given in graphic form and we're going to draw out the line. Now, we have this equation y is equal to 1/2 x plus 3. So that's going to tell us that our slope is 1/2. Okay, that's that m value, right? That slope. And our y-intercept is at positive 3. I have my small little graph there on the bottom right. And so to graph it out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to start with the point that we know. And the point we know is our y-intercept. And that happens to be at 3. Now it's positive 3, so it's going to be right there. You can see a little red dot. Depending on the size of your screen, that might be kind of small. But that's going to be the where we start from. The next thing is that we need to find a second point, or third, or fourth, or fifth, depending on how many we really need. And we're going to use our slope to do that. So we're starting at 3, and we're going to use our slope, which is 1/2, to find our next point. 1/2 means that we rise 1, okay, because that's what the first one means. We rise up 1, there we go. And then from there, we're going to have a run of 2. So we do a run of 2 right there, perfect. And this is going to be now a second point, so that is at 2, 4, is going to be a second point along this line. At this point, you could do another one. You could go up 1/2 again, up 1/2 again, and find all these other points. Or you can take a ruler and draw a nice straight line right through those 2 points, and that's going to give us the graphed form of our equation, and so we can represent what that looks like linearly. I hope this helped. All the best as you work through your questions.